Struck a chill to the heart, aroused fear. Struck a chill to the heart, aroused fear. Struck several bad patches, had many professional difficulties. Suit you to a T, to be ideal or perfectly appropriate for one adjective. Sum and substance, essence. Swan song, last performance. Sweep under the carpet, to hide a problem or try to keep it secret instead of dealing with it. Sweeping statement, generalized statement. Swim with the tide, agree with the popular opinion. Swallow heavy, right. Sword of Damocles, imminent danger and impending threat. Take a cue from someone, learned acting, be strongly influenced by someone. Take a dim view of, disapprove of. Take a leaf out of someone's book, imitate or emulate someone in a particular way. Take away your breath, astonishing. Take exception to object strongly. Take heart, to take courage, to gain confidence. Take in their stride, handle calmly. Take notice, consider. Take one's eye off the ball, to stop paying attention for a moment. Take something at face value, accept something as it looks without thinking about whether it might, in fact, not be quite what it appears. Take the bull by the horns, to handle difficulties, to deal with a difficult or dangerous situation in a very direct or confident way. Take the heat, receive criticism. Take tea at their word, truly believe you. Take to one's heels, to run away in fear, run off. Take up room, occupy space. Take up the hatchet, prepare for or go to war. Take with a pinch, grain of salt, not believe completely something that you are told to listen to. Take fancy, develop liking for. Take after, to resemble, to be similar in appearance. Taking a toll on, to harm or damage someone or something, especially in a gradual way. Talked over, discussed. Talking through her head, talking nonsense. Told tales, boasting. Teaching problems at the start of a new project. Tell upon, to affect adversely. That ship had sailed, too late to do something. That's all the road. There is nothing more to be said. The A's have it, the affirmative votes are in the majority. The bad egg, a dishonest or ill-behaved person. The beauty of it, the most attractive or appealing aspect of something. The bee's knees, extraordinary. The big fish, male leaders. The pole of nature, go to the toilet. The calm before the storm, a period of quiet that comes before a time of activity, excitement, violence. The devil is beating his wife, the sun is shining while it rains. The die is cast, the decision has been taken. The early bird catches the bomb, one who arrives first gets the best chance at success. The elephant in the room, a big problem everyone is ignoring or afraid to talk about. The end justifies the means, wrong or unfair methods to achieve something. The gnomes of Zurich, big international bankers. The grass is greener on the other side. Other people always seem to be in a better situation, although it might not be true. The graveyard shift, to work shift during the night, often from midnight to 8 am. The green-eyed monster, geniusly. The jury is out, no decision has been reached. The last straw, final problem in the series. The lion's share, the biggest and best part of a whole. The man in the street, the ordinary man. The movers and shakers, people who have a lot of power and influence. The nitty-gritty, the most important aspect of practical details of a subject or situation. The old Adam, the evil or reckless side of human nature. The pot calling, the kettle black. People are guilty of the very fault they identify in others. The pros and cons, for and against, advantage and disadvantage. The seamy side, the unpleasant aspects. The straw that broke the camel's back, to be the last in a series of events leading one to feel that it is intolerable. The tail is wagging the dog, the less important or subsidiary factor person or thing dominates a situation. The thin end of a wedge, start of harmful development, beginning of something bad which seems harmless in the present but is likely to become worse in future. The tip of an iceberg, something which is a small part of something much bigger. The wheels have come off, things start to fail or go wrong, especially after a period of success. The whole ball of wax, everything. The ways and wherefores, underlying reasons or causes of something. The world is your oyster, you can do anything you wish or go anywhere you want. There's no smoke without fire, there's always some reason for a remote. Thieves as thieves having a close frenzy. Think on your feet, adjust quickly to change and make fast decisions. Throw a spanner to do something that prevents a plan or activity from succeeding. Throw down the blow, give a challenge. Throw and throw completely. Throw thick and thin, support under all circumstances. Throw caution to the wind, to do something without worrying about the risk. Throw in the towel, acknowledge defeat. Throw over, to refuse to accept. Throw the baby out with the bathwater, to discard something valuable. Throw up cards, to give up or abandon something. Throw up the sponge, to surrender. Tick all the boxes, to fulfill the required norms. Tickled pink, very pleased. Tide over, to overcome. Tide someone over, give temporary help, usually financial. Tie oneself up in knots, become very confused when you are trying to explain something. Tie the knot, get married. Tighten one's belt to cut one's expenditure. Till the cows come home for a very long time.